I'm going to tell you the safest places to go when there is a tornado. The basement. If you do have a basement, try to take everything on the shelves off so it doesn't fall on you. The best place in your basement to go is a corner. Make sure to bring technology to check on the weather, and don't forget the pets. Now I'm going to talk about the bath. If you don't have a basement, go to the bath. Get in the bath and duck your head. Remember, if you don't listen to this message, this is what's going to happen to you.